boat? Is this your boat? Do you want to sell it? It's a little bit of a fixer-upper, but I'm sure something could be done with it. Is this your boat? Anybody want to sell this boat?
It's mine.
I'll give you 10 pesos for this boat.
That's not mine.
It's not yours? Do you know whose boat it is?
That's not mine.
So yeah, it's Sunday, and these guys don't have anything to do, so they came down here, and this is their playground. This is the broken boat section of the beach. I'm gonna go check out some ones down here. And some
Part of this is underground.
part of it's underground? Really? So the rest of it's under there? Yeah, I can see that actually. Oh well. Haha. So this is something weird that happens whenever you go wandering around the Philippines. You get a pack of kids following you around. Alright, here's another wrecked boat. This one looks like it was originally ported out of Pagadian City. I don't know if you can hear me because of all the wind. But this one's actually in better condition than the last one. It's only got one giant hole in the side of it. For fishing use only. So this bad boy's seen better days. What do you think? Ah, shy now, huh? Yeah, okay. I know how it is. You live in there? That's your house? Imong Balay?
No.
FB Ildebeth 58 09 000000229. Huh. And there's another one over there. So this is like the graveyard. There's a dog. Oscar. This thing looks like it could be salvaged. I don't know. It's my wife. Oh, there she is. Hello, wife. We're gonna buy this boat, and you're gonna go back to Dipolog on it. Yes, Dipolog. Yeah, you can tell there was a storm because all the detritus. Detritus! We go again with the detritus. And these are just... yeah, these are freaking salvages. And there's another one, Ildebeth, FB Ildebeth 86. And that one's FB Ildebeth 58. And they're both abandoned. That's kind of weird. Hey, found an oar. All right, we can go to Dipolog now. We can row. There's hope for us yet. Yeah, that was from Pagadian City too. Huh. It's like a lost fleet. I feel like I'm in, what was that? Planet of the Apes. What did you do? Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at this. The swing. It's like a jungle gym. The whole country's like a big jungle gym. Make it? Okay. Look at this one. That's weird that two boats, they're both out of Pagadian City, and they're, I don't know, it's weird. It's strange, it's a mystery. One of the many mysteries here in Bayawan. The City of Mysteries. Yes, that's its nickname. The City of Mysteries. That's what it's called. Siquijor. That's the Isle of Fire. La Isla del Fuego. Yeah. In a little while, we're gonna go get some barbecue. Meet up with Lynn's extended family. And not much else is going on. Got a couple boats out there. These guys work hard. They go out at 5 o'clock, they come back at 5 in the morning, working 12 hours, and they bring back a lot of fish. And we got a lot of rain coming in over there. But the wind's blowing this way. So maybe we'll have a sunset. Look, might be. It's possible. We'll see. And this is the bait bucket. That's what they got for bait. All kinds of interesting stuff. La meat. Kitty Lao. Joke long. Joke long. Okay, bad joke. Come off. Hey, you. I know you.
Oh.
You're from Dumaguete City.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Nice to meet you again.
Did you come here because of the brownout too?
Yeah. So
I hate brownouts. No air conditioning.
That's why I just came here.
Wow, what a coincidence meeting you. And this is like 8-kilometer long beach here. We just happened to run into each other. How fortuitous.
Yeah, maybe we're meant to be.
Maybe. I don't know. Why no? Jury's still out. Yeah. Alright. Feeding time for the ducks. Get your thing back.
Right here, I have newborn chicken here.
Man, big Philippine ducks. They love rice. Rice is life. This guy's a bully. You're a bully. Sucklings. Little baby chickens. Oh, congratulations. They're very handsome. You should be very proud. You got a nice little clutch there. Oh my god, they're attacking. They're coming from everywhere. We're being overwhelmed by ducks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Succulents. I'm gonna eat you. Gutom kaayo ko. You go in the pot. Oh. That's nice. Aww. Aww. I'm petting a pig. You ever see the movie Babe? Did you ever feel like herding? You guys could be good herders. Alright. Aww. Little piggies. So cute. Oh. Can you say tocino? Barbecue. Barbecue. This one, her mom's a monster. Holy goodness gracious. It's like a dinosaur. Oh, look at all the duck eggs. Wow.
They covering ko sa mukha na feeder.
Wow. We're gonna make scrambled eggs out of those. We're gonna make an omelet. Duck egg omelet. Future balloons. Wow, that's a lot of egg.
Oh my gosh, so big!
I'm telling you, that's a huge pig. Can you pet it? Or does it bite? Okay, I'm scratching it. I'm scratching the pig. Oh. Good God, this thing's huge. Oh, you big baby. Wow. They feel really weird, bristly. Aww. Oh, ear scratches. Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. What is it, bok choy? And they put hot water in it?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll try one of those.
Ate, isa.
Bok choy. Interesting. And then we pick out tambok sa baboy. Hasta sa isaw. Chorizo.
Tambok sa baboy.
Tambok sa baboy. Don't order food yet because we haven't gotten it.
Yeah, so they can come here and so the food yet.
It looks like it's already been cooked.
No, not yet.
We got the grill going. Yeah, baby. Tambok sa baboy. Stunning.
Happiness.
No, don't stop now. Come on, the camera just started.
Say happiness.
Happiness ah.
Happiness.
Isa to?
Where'd he go?
Bidjuan ka.
Say happiness. Happiness.
Happiness.
Ayaw ni mo
Happiness.
dance day ni mo. Kita ang dance kay ate oh. Kita
Hey.
Ario.
What does the rooster say?
Oh, say.
Ano sa kwan ko no?
Rooster. Say sa manok.
What does the rooster say?
Sa to.
It says cock-a-doodle-doo. That's what it says.
You say kakaru.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Napataka ka jawiyaw.
It doesn't say talk.
It's tokora. It's tokaot.
So on. There he goes.
Yuhan.
He's out there.
Happiness.
You want no?
Ayuhan. Friends. Happiness. My penis.
Happiness.
My penis.
Oh gosh. It's gone from bad to worse. Just a short period of time. He's running around screaming penis. Can't see him.
Say happiness. Happiness. Happiness.
Happiness.
Happiness.
Happiness.
Happiness.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so it's 9:30 Monday morning. We both just woke up because the free breakfast ends at 9:30. We got up at 9:18. It's been raining. Basically, actually we lucked out because we didn't get rained on during the drive to Bayawan yesterday, and we didn't get rained out last night. We were out with the family eating. It didn't start raining until we got back to the hotel. But it's been raining steadily ever since. As you can see, there's some dark and foreboding clouds in the back. And we're going to be heading back to Dumaguete in a couple hours, so hopefully it'll clear up a bit. Here at CNL, CNL's got locations in Dipolog, Dumaguete, and Bayawan, and we're getting our free breakfast, as you can see. Lynn got her rice. I got my eggs, scrambled eggs, bacon, and toast, and coffee. And we're slowly going to try to wake up and make our way back to Dumaguete. But this is something you can do during a brownout, and we have all-day brownouts announced in Dumaguete. We had some friends of ours go to a resort up in Amlan yesterday. That's one thing you can do. You can go down to Darwin. You can go to the mall, I guess. But it's cool to go on a little trip and check out some places and see family. So this is Ned. That's Lynn. She's having her Milo. I'm having my coffee. I'm gonna eat bacon. We'll catch you later here on My Philippine Dreams. Bye. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun ride back.